Good evening, ma'am. This is Harsh Malani of Karunya University CST department. This is my data structures 8th program. The question for this program is mod sort and quick sort. The aim for this first I'll start my mod sort program. The aim of this program is to mod sort an array. Then we have to initialize. Then we have to use the function called as a void mod sort int of a, int low, and int high. Int of mid, then mid, if low is less than high, then mid value will be low plus high divided by 2. Then it will be sorting merge value for low, high, and a. Low, mid plus 1, high, a, low, high, mid. The function to sort the element and join the smaller sorted part. Void mid int of a, int low, int high, int mid. Uh, int I, j, k, and c of m. I is equal to low, k is equal to low, j is equal to mid plus 1, mid plus 1. Then while loop, mid while loop I'll be using has I less than or equal to mid and j less than or equal to high. Then I'll be using if and else statement. If a of I is less than a of j, c of k equal to a of I, k increment, I increment. Else c of k equal to a of I, k increment, j increment. While loop I less than or equal to mid, c of k equal to a of I, k increment, k I increment. While loop j less than or equal to high, c of k equal to a of j, k increment, j increment. For I equal to low, I less than k, I increment, a of I equal to c of I. Then I'll be using main function. I'm initializing the value int a of I and j. Enter the element one by one. For loop, if I is equals to 0, I less than 5, I increment. This is the initialized state in which the array should be of 5, 5 C in A of I. Merge sort A 0 and 4 sorting. Output and the stored array is for loop I equal to 0, I less than 5, I increment. C out A of I and lay return. And then merge sort. First we'll a given array is there. First we'll give lowest, low, high, and middle. Then in the to find the value of mid, low plus high divided by 2. Now let's say mid value, then we'll get the mid value. Then I'll start my second program with short. uh, the aim for this quick shot is the aim of this program is to quick shot and partition int I, L, and int R. Quick shot int left and int right. Int of p, if right is greater than left, partition 1, left, right plus 1. Quick shot left p minus 1, quick shot p plus 1. Now given array, the last point we have to take as pivot, and then for that we have to take the first element, we have to compare. Then after comparing, if pivot value is less than the array's element, then it will be to the left hand side. If the value of the pivot is the element have the higher value, it will go to the right side of the pivot. This is about quick shot. Int partition int L, int R. Int I equal to 1, j equal to r, pivot a of I, temp. Do while loop, in that again we'll be using do. Do I increment while a of I is less than pivot. While loop a of j greater than pivot, if j I is less than j, equal to a of I. A of I equal to a of j equal to temp. While loop less than j, temp a of I, a of I, a of L equal to a of j, temp a of j equal to temp. In the main function, we will give the value input as enter the number one by one. Int x equal to 0, x less than 5, x increment, a of x will be the output. And quick short will be 0 to 4. The output for this will be cout output element is I int x equal to 0, x less than 5, x plus 1, x increment. C out of x less than or less than it's a. Now I'll show you the output of the merge sort. Enter the element one by one. 1, 3, 5, 7. The sorted array is this. This is, and then now I'll show you the quick sort. Sort output is, let's take 2, 3, 7, 8, and then 5. The sorted element are 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. This was my program for quick sort and merge sort. Thank you very much for watching my video.